What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? This is Jimmy Warner, your captain speaking. Taking you out to another game dev challenge journey again. Coming in 3, 2, 1. I am still a PNG. Anyways, yesterday I basically just got through putting up all the code I want for this project I have. I haven't set up the project yet. Right now, I'm just in the middle of grayboxing, and the goal for right now today is to set the level, get all the assets in here, get it to a working playable state. I'm hoping by Friday or Saturday that I can get at least the game to a playable state where I can go by, play around, see how it goes, and actually add in the elements that's needed. Right now, the game's not in a playable state, just more or less in a state where I can just place in uh the level. If you guys understand what I mean. It's just right now I think for me I need to be able to have like a elevator. I'm going to get that sorted out later on. I'm going to need to get I want to try to get start on the second level. I also want to try to get started on these maybe try and add in certain filters like I did with the recession room, where is this where it's just this. So I can get a good idea of what the place is going to look like, where I want things places to be at, where it needs to be at. Is it the right size? Does move around feels right, that sort of thing. So with that said, I think I'll go ahead and get started. I am going to start with I'm definitely doing. I know I need to get a second level laid out. I also know I need to have a certain boolean. I need to make sure that although I think I need to make sure I have like a way to block certain areas out and see if the see if this is the correct not say the correct way, but the best way to go going forward here. Also for some reason I have the level, I have the task, these bars on like this where I have to click on it. This is by accident. This is by no means on purpose, and I think I can fix that by just going to tools. And let me remember, no, maybe not tools, no. Default editor layout. There we go. That's what I want. Okay. So let me look at this. What we see right here is the first it's the first level. And up top of that, I want this to be the second level. Now, the way this is the way we have this is actually on this should be actually on purpose. Because we want to make sure that if I move this guy up here, excuse me, not scale. Make a copy and move it up here. Lay it down here. This is where the next area is going to be. So for here, I need to actually make a cut. Let me go back into modeling, and there is, I think there's a thing called not mirror, not deform. The union is not one of them. I'm looking for a boolean. Okay, I think here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to grab a shape a cube. I'm going to scale this to a certain size. Hope I can aim this. It's aimed correctly. Maybe. I'm probably not at the first try. All right, bam, bam. Let's see. Now I have two meshes selected. I should be able to Boolean union. What's Boolean union? If I did this, is this going to cut a hole in it? No, it's going to cut a hole in that mesh, but it's not going to. Not doing exactly what I'm thinking. What I want to do. I'm assuming it's like mesh cut. Then? No, Boolean right here. That's what I want. Boolean. Okay. That's a very good question. Is the Boolean okay? Here we go. Okay, this should be correct. All right. Let's go ahead and accept that. Now we have a mesh that has a little hole in it. I'm also going to need to make another hole as well. So I'm going to need, and this one's just for the exit door. So let me actually get another cube. However, this time I need to make sure that there is a way to that I got a good idea of what the stairs are going to look like. Right now we got steps, but we don't have like a really good idea of how the steps are gonna look. So let's see. Real quick, I'm gonna look up a reference of fire exit. I type in fire exit, I get different types of fire exit images, but not the fire exit I'm thinking about. Oh, this is the one I'm actually thinking about. It's okay. I know I think the fire exits they're usually very tight and very small. I'm looking at this and I'm thinking about should the fire exit should there be only two fire exits, and that fire exit may have like some kind of janitor built janitor room, because that's part looking at it, thinking about it, as thinking about that might be that I guess could be missing. Um, of course, me just thinking about it, I think mm, I don't think I need to worry about it too much. But let me see. Let's see. Maybe the steps doesn't need to be that big. Let's see what else we have that. Okay, we got linear loading. Oh, okay. Loading, curved, and spiral. Flowing would do. I could actually make a mesh that can have those steps. Instead of 15, I want these steps to have a bit more depth. Maybe actually let's start with how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 flights of steps. This is what it looks like when it's 9. 9 here. Actually, I want to pull that. Turn this around. Yeah, this is not enough steps to work with. Let's go for 12. All right. Now we're gonna rotate this around. Oh, by the way, yesterday I did, right when I ended the stream, I just noticed a comment, on YouTube, and I kind of felt bad. I really missed it. For the dude that commented, hey, I apologize. I didn't see it. I was using a, I was using another thing, I was using another thing that reads both YouTube and Twitch, and for some reason the thing kind of went bad, and I just missed it. So apologies if you happen to came in and just say hi to me. Okay, I think I got exactly about where I want to be at. Yeah. This needs to be right up on the wall. Just right up on the wall. Just not like lazily not on the wall. Just right at it. Right at it. Okay, we good. Okay, now I got that out of the way. I need to get the actual dimensions of this so I can make a cut. And right now I'm looking at this, I'm kind of eyeballing this. See, I want to make a duplicate of this so I can actually copy like these two, and I could then do another boolean. I was like, let me unboolean that. Let me go look at the scale of this again. I'm gonna try that again. Like this, boolean, and we kind of got it. I kind of got it this time. I'm liking this. I'll accept it. All right. Okay, I'm actually looking at this again. I'm definitely thinking that there should be at least a wall here. And I need to have just basically a certain a walkable platform. All right. Let me test something out real quick. This will definitely feel like an elevator, but no, I don't know why it feels. Probably I don't know why it feels big. The only reason I think it feels big is because of this empty space. I could probably make a. Okay, I could walk up the stairs like this. It definitely does feel like a fire exit. Okay. So that part we got. So this part we got. All right, then in that case, I want to get the next set of floors stairs going. I think I know there's gonna be some spots that are gonna be empty. I need to at least get that dressed up. Later on. Let's see. Would it feel odd that it will have that this building will only have one fire exit? Let's see. This feels a little higher than before. Or because I actually set this. Way more hard than it should be. Let me think about this. Hold on a second. This one is about 3, 4, 5,000. And actually, hold on a second. I can also do this. I just go in here and I can right click. Yeah, right click. By going here, I can just right click on the thing. And I can see the distance. So this needs to be 400 400 by 400. This is a bit lower, so I need to pull this up another. Pick a bit too high. Oh, this is correct. All right, this is correct height. All right, now we're good. And one that's gonna have that's gonna be just a roof where there's nowhere else to go. That should be about the same number like before. Let's see. Oh, the best way I can do is like this way. This way I already know it's like this is already 400. Perfect. Okay. So I know this is the exact thing we want. Let me actually adjust the oh shoot. Y'all snap things off. There we go. Makes sense. Kinda, not really. But either way, that shit. Although I feel like I'm kind of wasting little bits here and there, just trying to get this going. Wait, actually, wait. I could probably walk onto here. It's okay that I could, I don't know, cheat this little spot a little bit. I think it'd be okay. I don't think it needs to be. Some rooms should be empty or not. Just doesn't. I don't think we need to try and get this exact. I am treating this like a game jam. Let's see. Not everything needs to be exact. If I do, not everything needs to be exact. So, I'm going to do. I'll make this as close as possible for this. All right. This one's actually looking a lot more tired than before. And I need another copy of this. We're gonna make this half a bit. It just needs to be about about this side. Okay. Just now, what the heck I'm gonna do is this. If I... Okay. Second little memory jog. Do me a big favor. Back then I said the whole back room is the fire exit. I didn't realize how with the fire exit how big they usually are. So instead of doing that, I'm going to instead of making the fire exit this big, I'm gonna make it a bit more of half. I'm not sure if we're gonna need another need 2 fire exits. Matter of fact, I'm thinking this is gonna be 1 fire exit. And this fire exit will only be in the on this side here, and even here. This one I think it'll be a lot more easier to do and a lot more easy to get through. So yeah, I forgot to do it. Just now, what can I do about this extra empty space that's not gonna be used for anything? I think to make this easy for me, just make it not be used for anything, or actually, make this space be a janitor space. That way, if you need a janitor to clean up something, he'll go down here. It's like, go clean this up. And I think for this one as well, I think I want to make this just empty. I don't want to worry about things I don't need to worry too much. I know it's gonna be a lot of empty spaces. But if I like the game and I want to continue on the game in the future, I could come back to these little spaces again and try to fill them up with something else. But right now, I just want to make sure I have exactly what I want. That should be about it. I think yeah, I'm liking this right now. I'm liking even though it's just empty, but I'm liking the feel of this room. I'm not sure I'm actually doing anything exterior wise. If I'm go the plan here is not to worry about too much of how the exterior is gonna look like. All I should probably care about is the interior. If I want to work on the exterior, I could pretty much make sure the player is able to go outside, but I don't want the player to go outside. I just want them to stay in the building. Okay. And what I'm doing right now, I'm actually just grabbing the exterior of the room so I can focus on what it's going to look like at the moment. I should probably also get rid of this because the rooms are not going to have like something like those sticking out. Right, anyways, let's make it up. There we go. And one more. There, we have our 3 rooms. All right, next I need to actually grab more light. That way I can see what's going on here. There we go. Now I have my rooms all nice and dark. Although I think it'd be nice to have these a bit more organized. Yeah, I'm just kind of thinking about it right now. Like for instance, I'm thinking about, do I want to actually make levels of each room and have them load differently? I mean, that could work. We are going to have some assets in there, but it's only be one room. There's not going to be a lot happening. I think I'll get there when I get there. But right now, I think this actually is that this is pretty much fine right now. This has been. Can I tell you one thing? This has been a very long time. Comments. I did something like this before. when I was working on my very first game, using Unreal. I think I don't know what was it. I think it was like I was more interested in trying making a. It's in my it's one of my old videos. Is one thing that I want to do. I want to try to learn how to do the Resident Evil tank like control games. I think back then I was able to accomplish this, and it was really cool. I don't think I didn't do much with it, other than just move have take controls working. Let's see. Another thing I need to take care of, I think, will be the doors. Ooh, I was thinking about it. How am I gonna have elevator doors work? Maybe I don't have. Maybe I don't need the elevator door to work. I have the stairs. The stairs can go up and down. I don't need them to worry about if it can go. If they could ride the elevator, which, by the way, I think it would be nice if it could. Hmm. Wait. All right. Right now, there's just a lot of white boxes around the make wall panels. Yeah. I think I. No, I think I remember that I don't want to work on this wall, this room exactly because I don't want to have. Because I don't want to worry about the space. Although I think missing walls could also be a good use of use as a anomaly. Like you walk in the room, everything seems fine, and all of a sudden the room is missing a wall. Okay. I think after I get plans out, everything else, I think I'm gonna start off. Ooh. Let me go ahead and start off getting the boxes set up. I think the fastest way I could do this is similar. Is just this way. It's just grab this like this, and I'll be able to select everything I need here. And I can make this. I should probably add this into the floor I'll call it floor 1. That way, if I have this and I need to hide it, I can hide the floor. Although I think I have the wrong space. I don't want the directional light in the floor 1. I think I got a few more that are just that's not supposed to be in here. Now if I floor 1 now. There we go. Maybe do the same here. Let me make sure I don't have light in here somehow mixed up in here. It's grand narrow footer. This one's gonna be just floor 2. That way I can hide this, and I can mainly focus on floor 1, and yeah. Okay, cool. The last floor. Floor 3. I'm gonna grab the last one right here. I'll make this one roof. There we go. Now if I hide this, I can plainly just now focus on certain floors. If I'm down on floor 1, I can go back to I can go up to floor 2. If I'm down on floor 2, I can go over here. If I need to look on top, I can hide the roof. That's it. What's Cube 72? Where is that at? Oh, it's outside. Okay. Let me focus on floor 1. This is going to be the lunchroom. It is way big. This is very big for a lunchroom. Okay, let's say this is one of those fancy let's say this is one of those fancy restrooms. Fancy lunchrooms that has not only the kitchen but also food storage room. Although I'm thinking about that's probably gonna make it a bit more complicated than it should. So maybe not. But then again, of course, I don't. We don't have to worry about having. I don't have to worry about having everything in here. Just need to make sure that what's here is what I can work on and what's very important. Don't need to work on. Don't need to try to add everything else because it makes the game immersive. Okay. I want to have 4 tables. Do I need to be 50? No, I think they need to be about 70, 90. About 80. Maybe not the kitchen, but we could probably make this a recreational. All right, next one. I just said this will be the restroom. One's gonna be the men's restroom. There's gonna be a few stalls and a few stalls here, but this will be a couple more stalls in the women's restroom. What else? And this is where the sinks are gonna be at. No, I say sink, but the yeah, I'll call it a sink. This is where the sinks are gonna be at. This is where they're gonna look around. Yeah, blah blah. Okay. That should be it, I think. So while I'm doing that, I can just do this. Here we go. Okay. Right off the bat, there's something wrong here. The size of the door is not correct. I mean, just not the size of the door, but size of the stalls, and the size of this is not correct. There's gonna be a little empty space on the side. I think that should be fine. And that's gonna be about 3 urinal right here. Okay. Okay. This one, no, this is gonna be the janitor room. Let me actually add a box that will be the in the janitor room. There's always a there's usually a sink that is there to wash out the trash or the gunk from their mop. So I'm gonna add one here. And the rest is basically just gonna be just stuff. All right. Let's see. This is a recreational room, and in here's the kitchen. I think I'm not gonna care about working on the food storage. That's gonna take some time. But this should be a-okay. Oh, speaking of, I said there's gonna be probably gonna be another door here. Hold on a second. Sorry about that. Okay. This one, no, I need to have at least 2 doors, sort of. And this should be fine. I'm kind of like this. I'm definitely like this space. Please see. Let me actually play around with it. Definitely like this space. If I go walk around. Although I think this space to go to the restroom seems a bit bigger. The entrance to the restroom seems a bit bigger. I think I need to make it a little more smaller. And thinking, actually, now thinking about it, I said there's gonna be doors. Maybe, maybe not have maybe not have an open space, but actually have doors behind these. Biggest reason why, I just the way way I probably want them to get rid of the anomaly is to not head out, not head outside the entrance, but head outside of the entrance of, for example, the restroom. Go to the door and say there's an anomaly, and that anomaly will clean out that room. Easy. So this part thing, so this part should make sense. This part makes sense. Game wise. Okay. Also, I need to be right back. Don't go anywhere. I'm gonna be right back. I'm back. With food. I'm back with food. I'm going to try to keep my mic muted as I eat. Yeah, got a few things going. I need to test out the level a little bit. Oh. Okay, work here, but didn't work here. I think it's because the there's of course the stairs are probably not right, but it's there. Okay. Up the stairs. Up the stairs. Okay, that feels better. All right. Not sure I'm gonna actually need anything in the kitchen. Although I think I can let the recreational and the kitchen be one place. Like for example, we can make this area here. Be the place where you serve food, and there would be a kitchen in the back. This will be the food door to this food storage. Okay. Thinking about some doors here. There might be also be like a trophy. Like, ooh, now that we mentioned about trophy, maybe like this company is actually very proud that they have trophies in the room. I remember going working at one company that has like rewards at their at the front of the reception office. Like something similar to like if you go to like a school where they show their rewards. Apologies. I think that's something I will also want to add as well. Just don't know where though. I think this might be a good place to build awards. I think this would be the better size. There we go. Oh, there's also like if you're waiting and like I remember going like if you're going to an interview, like a in-person interview, where there's actually a little stand where you can be there and read and wait. There might be like a oh, there's also might be a there also might be a table in the middle. Not a big table, just a small table like this. Although now looking at it and thinking about it, this seems a bit too big. So if that's gonna be the case, maybe like 2 tables. And if there's gonna be tables here, that's probably gonna look unnecessary. Okay. And for this, and I just thought about the restroom just a little bit more. There is a air blower, like a dryer, probably about at least 2. Not by the entrance, but by the right around here. Okay. I think I'm satisfied with floor 1 at the moment. Maybe I should go work on floor 2. Floor 2 is gonna be where work happens. There's the elevator, and it's gonna be a office storage, a collab room, and some office space. And besides that, there should be a big break room. Right now, this feels empty. As intended. Let me try and move this down to floor 2. Let's see. Looking at this. The collab room is going to look very huge. So maybe I could break up the club room into a few parts. First, I'm going to split this apart real quick. There we go, split. There we go. I'm sure we need at least about 2 collab rooms. I'm probably gonna need. I'm probably gonna actually just need 1. Okay, not 1, but at least 2. No, not 2, 3. I don't know how to count today. Apologies. Okay. There we go. Oh, hold on a second. Door's too small. Wait. Alright, that should be the perfect size. There's gonna be like 1 big collab room and 2 small collab rooms. Okay. Okay. Let me actually sit here and think about this real quick. I was thinking this room would be have a lot of space, but then again, I also remembered I need to have like have a way to have the player to be able to stop anomalies. I mean, not stop anomalies, but get rid of anomalies. As I said that, as I repeat myself again. All right. This is pretty much the only door where work is happening. The player can walk through here, take a check through the desk, making sure these desks are clean. I think. Maybe. Oh, let me test around. Walk through here. Here's storage room. Over here. Here's the lab rooms. Go in here and look around. Here is the office space. And this office space is really big. Like really big. I'm just sitting here wondering, do we really need all this office space? Maybe, maybe not. Okay. I'm just kind of sit down and thinking about maybe I could get some light. Actually, you know what? Let's actually have some some spots that are like some spots that are like overseer rooms or something like that. And then we can have like a area, an area that's like an office space. And a break room. Okay, so this area is gonna be the break room. This one's gonna be the this part right here is gonna be the office space. Hey, Polymorphic Echoes, how you doing? No, that's like no, that's actually a thing. It's actually just me talking. I'm not actually using the engine to use the meta human. I'm actually just doing a PNG version. um, I'm basically doing fine. Right now, I'm actually doing a challenge for myself, so I'm basically just making a game. All right. So right now, I'm basically just doing some gray boxing. All I'm basically just trying to get a idea of what the office is going to look like, and the game I'm trying to make is a spot the difference type of game. I have almost basically have certain areas in the room where I can find that these are going to be like this one over here is gonna be like the storage room. I'm not sure it's gonna be it. I'm not sure if the storage room needs to be that big, but I can figure something out there. This will be like the collaboration room. These here are the these are like, I think the executive office. I think this is gonna be the office space, and this was gonna be the break room. And one on floor one, this one's gonna be more of the recreation room, with a kitchen. This is the reception room. These two here are the restroom. Here's the elevator, and here's the fire exit. And this spot right here, I think it's gonna be the janitor. Any spots like that haven't gone through, like this or this, I think it's gonna be empty. Um, the reason I'm making it empty is because I'm not trying to. The goal is to try to get this game out before Sunday. So I'm actually being a bit more smart with my time here, and not trying to figure out if I need to do this or this or this. Other than that, I think that's all right. That's basically the gist of all of this. Right now, I think I have almost everything. It's just now. Oh wait. There should be a door. There ain't no door. Okay, real quick. I think this needs to be moved into the 4.2 folder. If I were to hide you right now, yeah, your phone's gonna be in 4.1. There we go. Okay. Let me get these into floor 1. Okay. What I'm gonna do about this space here? Okay. So far, one of the goals for the for spawning anomalies is if you see an anomaly within the room you're at, the goal is to exit the room, place a anomaly cleaner on the door. Tell you spot anomaly, and it'll clean that room. You can while the room's being clean, you can't enter that door until it's finished. But at the moment, I'm actually trying to place in areas where doors are going to be at. Okay, what is this? What is this spot here? Maybe the spot where the big boss is at? And after that, this is where the office with all the cubicles gonna be at. I am not super worried about the space. Just need to make the levels look a bit nice. And then once I'm happy with the spot, I'm going to then put in the level for put in the props in each room. Let's see. Okay. Let me actually make this 4. And let me actually pull this up here. It is okay. This one looks a little small. Looks way. The narrow rooms looks very, very small. Let me actually. Make this 3. Make the. I'll go and make the rest of it 3. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay, I think I got the idea here. Just grab one here. Let's make this 3. Let's make 2 fridges. Back door. I think. Let's actually grab. Make a couple tables, and I think that would be it. Maybe I should go around, play around going into the 2nd floor. Not sure if the player needs to jump. Storage room. So I mean that collab room. Thank you. Office. I think. Boss office. 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 Break room. Cubicles, although I think the cubicle seems larger. way larger than it needs to be. It needs to be a bit more smaller. They almost look like small little rooms. We have to bring the mannequin up here. Just need to see. How big the roofs are. How big the cubicles are. I think the cubicles are very... They still seem very huge. I think I'm good. I think this is good. Okay. I don't think I want to put tables in here yet. Oh, I could put tables here. Okay. There, I'm gonna need a small... There, maybe like so. Table. There might be some more stuff like a drawer. I think no, it's not what I call. That's not what I call. I think it's a drawer. Is it a drawer? Is it a drawer? I think it's gonna be a car drawer right now. Desk. There'll be windows out here. There's gonna be window out here. There's gonna be no windows out here. This is a storage room. last one. That should be. That should probably step in here. Not stepping in here, like leaving, like step in the assets. So this one is this third one is gonna be the top floor. This is gonna be the how do I say this? It's not the executives room. I mean, this is like the CEO room. Like the CEO room is gonna have a very very big room, or actually the CEO floor. What I'm thinking here is having like it's having a secretary wing come out of the elevator. Then there's gonna be like you'll see the desk. You'll see another room that will be like the CEO meeting, all hands meeting room. That's about it. It's only gonna be there's only need to be only a few rooms here. There we go. Okay. All right, I figured out. All of it here. Okay, I know this has to be a secretary room, but this is like a lot here. Okay. I have an idea. I think what I could do is make some part of it, maybe a hallway. Or actually, I could just follow the what I had in mind originally. See if that is going to be something I could do. The reason I'm very hesitant right now, like I'm very low, like thinking about the room because I'm realizing the way I have drawn versus the way I have right now might be. I'm thinking might be a bit off, or might be a bit off on size and scale. I think I could. I think I can get that go. I can get this going. Okay. 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 And here's I'm talking myself, and here's what I'm thinking. Instead of making this a secretary room and the rest be the CEO room, because CEO, if I leave the CEO room like this, is gonna be again huge. So let's let half of it be the CEO room here. Like this spot right here is the CEO room. So what about this room? Hmm. I think I want to make it more executive. I guess. Okay. Okay. I think I have it broken down to something like this. And I think this will work. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so far we got through a lot. We got through a lot. You know what? You know what I'm thinking. What this will need? An executive bathroom. Okay, a CEO restroom. As for this, I think I'll leave this. I'll leave this empty. This I want to make it a secretary room, and this one I want to make the CEO room and the CEO meeting, and I think I'll make this a restroom. Right now, I think I have just enough. Just enough to work with. Okay. All this, I now have to think about how to make the elevators work. I mean, I think there's a couple of things I can make this elevator work. It's just like I don't know. I don't know. I'm thinking. This should be fine. Maybe go back in selection. I think. Yeah, I think this should be fine. I just need to set up a actor for the elevator. Set doors. Set up the map and see how everything works. Of course, I'm not expecting to have everything done here, but one more thing. One other thing I need to make sure to do. I need to make sure I get all the assets I need from the marketplace into this project. I don't have them all set. I just need to do that right now. And the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to open up another project called My Project 2. This is like a empty project that doesn't do anything super special other than just hold content. And the way I'm going to do this is look at offices. The way I'm going to do this by going to offices like all. See, we got what's this? Office scene, office appliance. Make sure office appliance are actually something I can put in. I think it's something I can put in. Loft office, big office. High quality office chairs. Brutalist office. What the heck? Brutalist architecture office. Okay, to be honest, this looks cool. So many offices. Okay, looking at through here, all this, I think there might be some things that don't have, like restrooms. Why do they call it the big office here? Mm-hmm. Oh, this is the only office. This is the only place that have restrooms. And you're actually a project, not a asset. You know, I'll just, I'll take it. And there's actually two more. I'll take a look real quick. This is called loft. I don't think I need to worry about a loft. And modular, our modular office. I think this is fine. I think we're fine about it. This is now I have to wait for quite a few assets to be pulled in, but the assets I can pull in right now will be the office appliance, and I have it here. Okay. The brutalist level kit building. Wait, why is the blueprint called the? I don't. You gonna need to worry about the building? Why have it? Let me look at this real quick. Wait. Oh. Okay, I don't need that. I just only need the assets, I think. Just more on exteriors, like, okay. Not get distracted by all the cool stuff. I'm getting distracted by the cool stuff. Oh yeah, I'm definitely getting distracted by the cool stuff. Okay. Okay. Real quick, I think I'm gonna start with making the elevator. Let me actually add an arrow real quick. If I can point out where we're facing. We're facing. Wrong way. Okay. Okay. Let me punch these numbers into my pad. Ten. last one is 95. Okay. Okay. So, couple things I need to I want to get. I want to try to get doors or windows. I want to get the windows here as well. I want I want the chair. I want the table. Table's part not going to be round. The kitchen, I can probably slide around it. Make sure that we don't need to worry about the player going into the kitchen to take a look at things. They can probably see for there already. As for outside, I can worry about outside later on. Okay. I don't know why I'm hesitating here. Like I know what the elevator is gonna look like. I just don't know how. Just I don't know how I'm going to approach this. Not only that, I have plenty of office stuff I can work with. Where it be rooms, chairs, or tables. Or walls or floors. the last one is ready. Let me actually open that last one real quick. Let's see. I freaking know what's missing here. What's missing here is an elevator door. Like, here's the idea. If I press a button out here, we want the elevator door. We will want the elevator door to open, but we don't want to open until the elevator is on the floor. It's on the exact floor. Although I think I might be working up on little things, such as this elevator. What I should be working on is the door, because I'm trying to get the game going. I could probably come back to the elevator door later on, but I think right now I need to get the door set up. I also need to get the anomaly triggered as well. Okay. Okay, I think our project right is open already. There we go. Okay, I think the project's trying to get itself formed up. Okay. I also grabbed this because I saw it has this toilet. Oh my god, that's stairs? I could probably use, I could pretty much use these stairs. It even has the elevator I'm looking for. Right now the elevators are right now I'm looking for right now is what I'm actually looking for. That's one thing. Yeah. This is actually. Okay, forget everything else. Why not just use this? This is actually exactly what I'm actually looking for. I'm looking for office space. Okay. Not only that, it's not everything has to be blue. Cool. It's just straightforward. Okay. I think migrate. I think I need to. Yeah, migrate. Let's save. I can move this out of the way for right now. Now I can probably make this area work. Okay. content. With the elevator and stack mesh elevator here. Is this okay? I think it's there because of the door. Okay. Let me move up a 5. Let me move this forward. I know the walls are kind of blocking. I mean, if that's the case, I could probably just move this up here to exactly where we want the elevators to be. Real quick, need to change batteries. There we go. Actually, hold on a second. This might not be correct. Let me explain. The elevator door that's in the front, it should not be attached to the inside of the elevator. I'm looking at it and staring at it right now. This might not be the best idea for it. Best idea. But I did say to myself, I might not even need to worry about stuff like this. Because to be honest, we might not need the elevator. We might not even need to activate use the elevator door at all. Just probably be there to look pretty. In fact, the only thing I think the player is going to end up doing is using the stairs. So let me actually move the elevator out of the way. If I have time, I could probably work in the elevator, but right now I really need to think about the door. right quick. I'm grabbing another set. This one's gonna be the doors. I know you're saying it's expected extremely poor performance. I just need right now. I have assets I want to get. You're looking at this and thinking about this. The walls are really thin. I'm like, oh no. This might take a lot. This might take some time. Okay. To be very honest, I thought, okay, here's my thinking. I thought I'm going to do this. I thought it's going to take a bit of some time using the modular walls, but looking at this and thinking about this, this might take more time. But if I'm I'm really excited about this idea of this game. So I really want to try to get at least the assets going. At least I have till Sunday. I'll have till Sunday to get all this working. And it's already Wednesday. I think I should be able to get at least the first level taken care of. one biggest reason why I'm gonna worry about this because yeah, I have to manually set these up. Of course, these are arc fists. These might not be something I'm actually looking for. But they definitely, but my god, they have like a really good set of assets I could probably use. I was like, let me go my R project. The R project had like the rulers part. Give me a moment. Because right now I'm actually trying out this the S here. It definitely works if I'm going, unless I'm actually trying to really work on doing the levels, which looking at this might take a bit of the level building might take a bit of time. Especially with the pace I'm going with. Okay, looking at this and thinking about this. I kind of wish I knew this beforehand. This is like look at this. Look at this. All the walls and all this kind of stuff is already set up. It's kind of already set up. It's just level designer friendly. This is all level design friendly. All you have to do is actually punch in the numbers of how many floors, how wide, how big it is to actually get all this going. This is even the carpet. You have a blueprint for the carpet. You have windows. Okay. Wait. Okay, is this the room? Okay, thinking about looking at this, I don't exactly need most of this. But I am kind of kicking myself in the butt realizing that whatever they had here will have made my development development of the office a little bit more faster. I mean, I could do it. I mean, I could do it right now. I'm still early in. I'm just basically just trying to figure out the assets and all that kind of stuff. Maybe not though. So I was thinking about looking at maybe not though. Hmm. Have I can't think about it right now. And it's kind of getting late here. Here's what I'm gonna do. I think tomorrow, off stream, I'll probably go work more on the level. I think today and tomorrow I'm gonna be working more on the level and try and get all that set up and see if I'll try to figure out which one's gonna be the best approach for me to do this type of thing. Other than that, I think I wanted to go ahead and call it for today. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. I'll see y'all tomorrow. If you like this stream, follow me here on YouTube, or subscribe to me on YouTube, or follow me here on Twitch. I'll be doing more Gamedev stuff later on tomorrow. This is definitely one of my challenges, especially trying to stream. This time I'm gonna try and make sure I stream each day till Sunday, but each day to Sunday. Sunday's gonna be the last day for this Gamedev challenge, and if I end my stream on Sunday, I'm basically gonna release the game right then and there into on itch.io. So once we have all it taken care of, that's where I'm gonna post my games at. So thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. All right, bye bye.